What's up, y'all? Back with another video. Unfortunate one. So I got this sound going on, and it's not this thing in the back seat either. But yeah, I got this sound going on coming from like the rear passenger side tire, and I'm almost positive you're gonna be able to hear it in the video. So let's give it a listen. Don't think it's my brakes. I just replaced my brakes in July. So thinking it's the wheel bearing on my rear passenger side tire. Well, rear passenger wheel. I'm on my way to Walmart right now. So I'll just let you guys listen. I'll put the windows down and stuff, see if you can hear it better. And when I get back, I'll check it out. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you click that bell notification so you don't miss any future content. And there is plenty more to come. I got a whole closet full of car parts. I'm just waiting on a day off. That isn't today. Because I got my pretty young thing with me. Yeah, it's definitely too cold to have the windows down. Alright guys, so turns out that sound is coming from our brakes. Look at all that brake dust. That is hideous. This is supposed to be black plasti dip. Remember? Oh no, because you guys didn't watch that video. So go click up right there in the corner, man. Watch that video. But yeah, so I'm out here in my boy's garage, and I'm about to change this caliper. These bolts are like over tightened, so over tightened. Never going to that shop again where I got these tires. And my breaker bar is not doing the job, yo. Like, I'm not strong enough. Ugh. So, little hack here. Just put a pipe over here. Give yourself more leverage, and you'll be able to generate more torque and break these free. But who's just got pipes laying around? Not me. So, and I had like taken apart my vacuum, and I was gonna use like the neck for my vacuum, but I forgot it at home. So I'm out here in this garage looking around. What can I use? What can I use? And I see this like clothes rack thing. Take the hangers off. Boom, take that thing off. Bang, I got me a pipe. And I'll show you how this is done. Watch this. Put that on. Get yourself the angle you want. That's what I like right there. Almost vertical. MVP. Most vertical pipe. Wrong way. Put that on there. I could probably do this with one hand. Watch me crank that. Oh man, nah, not one hand, not a one hand, or at least not a left hand job. You guys know I'm a righty. Oh no. Yeah, I'm having some storage issues between my phone and my GoPro. So, this one's gonna be kind of brief, which you guys might like, because my videos are like really long, actually. All right, this is how we do it right here. They're all good. Cracked them loose, thanks to my buddy's clothes wardrobe thing. Now, let's get this up in the air. and take that wheel off. All right, we got the wheel up. Well, we got the car up. Got her on a jack stand, and got the jack up under there too for just a little extra support. Now let's go ahead and pop this wheel off. All right, you guys, check it out. You can see these pads. Can we focus? Can we focus? The pads are fucking non-existent, man. What happened, bro? I just got these. I just put these pads and these rotors on in July. So we need to replace the caliper. So went ahead and I got that already, and I got some new pads. And we're gonna go ahead and take this off and throw that new one on. So we got a bolt right here on the top. Slide needs to come out, and one on the bottom. We'll go ahead and take those out. And this is probably gonna be a pain to get off because you can see, like right here, those are supposed to be like the clips that's what you hear when it's like squealing. Them joints are broke all the way off. So this is definitely gonna be stuck on here. All right, so after you've gotten the two slide bolts out, you're gonna come back here, and there's another bolt right here, and there's another one in the exact same location on the bottom, and they're gonna take, it's like a 5/16 inverse joint. So give her the old reach around. Sorry about my hand in the way. Boom. Ugh. Oh, she's tight. All right, I literally had to like throw myself at the car to break it loose, but I did do it, and it is coming undone. Now my battery's too low for flash, so I'm thinking about just, you know, showing you guys the key points from here on out. Well, earlier my phone died, so I had to do some work without you guys, and I got the bolts out. This thing was like glued on here, man. I had to hammer the hell out of it, get it off, and then getting this e-brake cable out of the little metal holster thing. That was another task. And now I'm trying to get it off of this hook type deal. And I think you just pull it or push it. I doubt I'm gonna be able to do that by hand. Alright, sorry you guys aren't getting to see everything, but to get this off, this thing, like I said, I wasn't going to be able to do it by hand. All I had to do was hit it with the hammer like twice. Opened right up, and I was able to slide the hook clean off. Now, disconnect this line, and you'll probably get something under there for some drippings. And we'll get this disconnected. And bang, old caliper is off. And dude, check out these pads. These were my pads. This is horrible. This is embarrassing, yo. What is this? What is this? Oh my God, that is so embarrassing. Makes me want to cry. But this makes me want to rejoice. And I got the brand new bad boy over here. Wasn't gonna open the box because I wasn't sure if that was my problem, but it definitely is. And oh my God, look at how clean she looks. All right, we're gonna throw some pads in here. Throw this sucker on. Before I throw these pads in here, I want to show you Look at that. All right, I got the new caliper on. Nothing left to do but put the pads in and bleed the brakes. All right, so I got my buddy in the driver's seat. I got the bleeder valve open. And when I say go, he's just gonna hit the brake. Go. Got nothing coming out of there. All right, hold on, buddy. All right, go. Go. Release. Go. Release. Oh, release.